In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a local account on Windows PC. The first thing you need to do is open Settings on your Windows 10 or 11. Right click on the Windows icon and click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Accounts. Scroll down the Accounts and you should see Family and Other Users. On some versions of Windows, you see Users in this section. Click on this option and click on Add Account. You can create a user with and without a Microsoft account. If you do not have the person's Microsoft account details, or you want to create a user without a Microsoft account, simply click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. And you'll be able to create a Microsoft account. But if you do not want to use a Microsoft account, simply click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. And you need to enter the user's information, such as the user's name and the password. As you fill this information, you need to answer some security questions. You can pick 3 out of all the security questions. They are important when the user has forgotten their account password. Once you're done answering all the security questions, click on Next and your user's account will be created. Now, to assign an administrative role to an account, you can click on the drop down in this section and click on Change Account Type. Click on the drop down on Standard User and click on Administrator. Click on OK. To confirm that a user has been created, simply click on the Windows icon here and right click on your account. You should see other accounts in this section. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful.